Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Tough Armor case and Easy Fit screen protector by Spigen in black. I picked up the new iPhone 13 Pro in the graphite colorway. It's super expensive and I'm a very clumsy guy, so the first thing I always do is apply a screen protector and slap it into a case. I love the Easy Fit because it's super easy, pun intended, to install and it fits perfectly due to its outer case that does the alignment for you. You simply peel out the adhesive side, snap the phone right in, and apply pressure for 30 seconds. Remove the alignment case and you're good to go. As for the Tough Armor case, it snaps right into place. Like its name suggests, it's super durable and I like the nice soft touch grip and a kickstand at the back. I'm not a fan of the exposed logo at the back, and I prefer the slim armor design used on my iPhone 12 mini. As you guys may know, I'm not a tech YouTuber, but I just wanted to quickly share my thoughts and help those who may be interested in buying this case as well as the screen protector. So if you're watching, let me know if you managed to pick up the iPhone 13 Pro. Do you think it's worth the upgrade? And let me know what type of cases you should rock, if you have any good ones you'll suggest me rocking. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment easy to show me you watch this video to the end. It's Samuel Sago on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.